Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafiu. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video guys, I'm going to teach you guys how you can get started with China use importation. What do I mean by that is a process by which you import a fairly used items or product or goods from China at a very cheaper rate. If this is what you are looking for, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can get started with the app. So, all you have to do is to watch the step I'm taking in this video and see how you too can get started with used goods importation from China. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to download the app. So I will walk you through step by step on how you can download the app. So when you are successfully download the app, then we move to this next part of the tutorial. So here we go. I'm going to make use of my Google Chrome right here. I'm going to click on my Google Chrome. Then after click on my Google Chrome, I'm going to make a new tab. So I have to come to the top here to make a new tab. Okay. Now, after make a new tab, I'm going to make use of my address bar now. So there is a link by which we need to follow to download the app. Okay, all you have to do is to follow the step and see how you can get it done. So the link is 2.tahoba.com. Then click on enter. So 2.tahoba.com, that is the app. So you can see the app on display right here. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is to click on app right here. This is the app we are going to use for importation of used goods from China. Okay, so I'm going to click on the app right away. So when you click on the app, you can see it starts to download right here. Okay. So you can see that the app is still download. Let me check. You can see the app is still download. It's on just 63.4 megabytes. Okay. All right, so after a successful install the app, you can see it right here. You click on open right here. Open. So the app is going to load up. And at this point here, you need to click on install. So you can see the app is prepared to install, right? So after a successful installation of the app, you're going to have it right here on your phone screen here. So this is the app we are going to use for used goods importation from China. All you have to do is to watch the step I'm taking in this video and see how you can download the app and how you can install it on your phone right here. Once you install the app, then we move to the next topic of the class. I hope you guys understand how you can download the app. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye for now. Peace.